So this is a Web of Science platform. Web of Science is a storehouse of researches over a period of time. So, Web of Science is owned by Clarivate Analytics, and here you can register. I mean, sign in and register. You can sign in through your mail ID and password. Okay, so I'll sign. So Web of Science contains a lot of research. You can search the research and use for your studies. You can search different options. You can search all field, topic, title, all field. If you search all field searches, all of the searchable fields using one query, this allows you to easily find your research terms in any field. That means, for example, if I search uh, something job satisfaction in all field, and if I click the search, you get 23,286. This means the word job satisfaction uh, used by the papers in anywhere the paper the word job satisfaction used has been captured, but it is not needed actually. We in all field it is like 23,286 literature came up. But if I search topic, so topic we will get search as title, abstract, other keyword and keyword plus. So these are the document will pop up while using topic. So I search topic, then the number of document will be reduced. Job satisfaction. I used the Boolean search option, job satisfaction. If I do not use job satisfaction without quotation, then the job and satisfaction will be separately counted, and the search may be biased. So I used here the Boolean search option like job double quotes. So we can use double quotes or etc. If I use the job satisfaction within double quotes, and again I put on search, uh, 23,278 documents. So here I use the title job satisfaction, then I will get the job satisfaction use titles. So here the documents, the front, documents reduced to 5,001. So here there are a lot of filtration options. It contains these documents contain 5001 contains review articles, early access papers, open access papers. If you want to remove from these paper from your database, you can remove it. And the publication year, from 1989 to 2021, uh, uh, and the year-wise data also you will get it. So 2021, 115 and papers used the title of job satisfaction. 2024, 12 papers used the word job satisfaction in the title. So you can also, if you want to filter, you want only 2021, 2019, 2018, 17. The other years you do not want, you can simply exclude. Then the data has been reduced to 1,522. Okay, then also, you can also fill, if you want only articles, you just select all, and if you want only articles, the others, correction letters, book reviews, proceedings papers, you do not want, you can simply exclude, you can simply exclude. Then the data has been reduced to 1,276. And the Web of Science categories, there are a lot of categories while uploading the documents in the Web of Science: management, nursing, public environment, occupation, psychology. So you want only management, business, uh, and social science, interdisciplinary, and economics. Other area, public administration. If you want, you can just click and click. And others you can exclude. You can simply exclude. So now the document reduced to 193. So here you can have authors, affiliations. Affiliation means the university in which they are working, and the publication title, the publisher. So out of this, you can Taylor and Francis, Emerald, how many papers they have published, etc. And you can find the funding agencies, the agencies in which fund for the job satisfaction work, etc. You can find. So if you want for the citation report, you just click the citation report. So you have adopted this kind of filtration effect, and this not, the not used for the filtration. You can also, if you want the copy query link, you can just copy and paste it in somewhere, Word document or somewhere. You can paste it. You can paste it here, and you can take paste it. So simply you can just copy and paste these documents. Copy and is just copy. Here you can paste, and the same page will come up. The same page come up. So you can get back the document after shut down the computer. It's possible. You can just simply copy query link. And now we have 183 document after filtration. You can see the citation report here. Click the citation report, and you can watch the citations graph, publication, citations, etc. And you can download this possible, and you can download the data also possible. This is the paper in which got the maximum citation, understanding the relationship between experience. Just click it, and you can find out the paper, and you can directly go to the publisher for downloading the paper possible. Okay, so this is possible, and so this you can export possible. If you want to export the citation, you can just simply export full citation report, and it will be useful for the further reviews of the papers which based on the job satisfaction. And back to search result, again come back to the screen in which you were in, and you can analyze the result possible. So 193 publications, you can search, analyze. The Web of Science category, 89 management, 45 papers from economics, 41 papers from business, 30 social science, and 23 public administration. So this is a Web of Science category. Again, you can, if you want, otherwise analysis is possible. Okay. So affiliation, it is possible. ISA, Institute of Labor Economics, has 7 papers. Near East University, 4 papers. University of Texas, 4 papers, etc. Affiliations and funding agencies you will get. So this much data you will get. Who are the funding agencies promoting a particular area, and who are the affiliation, means which are the affiliations in which the more papers published. And if you want to read the paper from this, this is the status of the funding agencies. You can see the papers in which they fund. Simply click it and identify. These are the 3 papers in which funded by so and so, funded by so and so, and human resource management practices and employee job satisfaction non-profit organizations. Paper was written by Bastida R. and Marimon, and it was published in the Journal of Annals of Public and Cooperative Economics. You can also go to the paper, and this paper has got 44 citations, this paper, 53 references and 6 citations, and proactive personality enhances change employees job satisfaction is another paper, which has got funding from the institutes, and the effect of service employees negative personality traits is another paper. Here, like you have you can analyze whatever it is you want, the publisher wise publication title, again you can analyze, and you can download all these things. If you want the data of Web of Science categories, you can download the data table. It's possible. Okay, you can download the data table. It's possible. So, so this is the way in which we can filter and we can find the related studies of our own research, and it will be helpful for reviews and for theoretical framework. It is very helpful. So what I'm trying is, if you want to export this document, I mean, the 183 documents, you can export it and you can export in any form. If you want to export it, it's a 193 document. Just click export and you can save many Excel. You can save plain text file. You can save, if you save the plain text file, you can export to import to this RStudio. You can do the citation analysis, or WoSphere, you can do citation analysis. If you download in RIS format, it is simply you can search 183 documents and the full record, and you can export it. So export it and we can save somewhere else. If I save in desktop, the job satisfaction, and save. Okay, so just take the mentally and and you can import the documents manually, and you will get the RIS files, and you can start review of the paper. So you can simply, you can create a folder for job satisfaction, and you can add file. I was saved in the desktop, job satisfaction. So this is job satisfaction, and let's open it. The files are there. Just I can read the paper and do the review. So this is very simple. Otherwise, the normal case, we are not able to understand the related papers and all. Just this process can be repeated from the Scopus also if you have subscription in the Scopus. So both things are the paid database, the Web of Science and Scopus. For this purpose, your university or institution has to subscribe the Web of Science, and only this facility will be available. So this is the option available to the researchers, the institution in which they have subscription over this Web of Science. So in any way, they can search through the keywords. So first of all, you have to identify the keywords, then only you can search it, and you can do some analytics and citation analytics with the help of these data. Okay, so we can use the Boolean search options for searching this data from the Web of Science. Okay, thank you.